you're looking for a functional, compact SUV with both reliability and safety for the whole family, then take a look at this certified pre-owned 2019 Jeep Cherokee Trailhawk in diamond black crystal pearl. With LED headlamps, front LED fog lamps, 17-inch aluminum wheels, red tow hooks, LED tail lamps, dual bright exhaust tips, power 8-way driver's seat, leather-wrapped steering wheel, 46,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen display, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, SELEC-TERRAIN system, split folding rear seats, 3.2-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number PS5874.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.